Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.04% to 43,730.01 compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 46% to 2,351.31, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 76% to 239.5.
Latest news.
Traditional finance may be shifting towards Ethereum ETF trade, says Reflexivity Research. A report by Crypto Potato suggests that traditional finance, TradFi, may be rotating into the Ethereum ETF trade after 2 months. The annualized basis on CME has consistently increased, reaching over 8%, and Bitcoin's open interest in CME has also experienced continuous growth, surpassing 4.5 billion since the trend began 2 months ago. Validata's analysis reveals that the futures basis for Ethereum on CME is currently trading at a 5% premium compared to Bitcoin, exceeding 10%. The report also notes that the grayscale discount is narrowing, dropping below 10% for the first time since July 2021, indicating growing demand for Bitcoin exposure and speculation regarding the potential approval of a Bitcoin ETF. The implied volatility in the options market has consistently decreased amidst the gradual upward movement of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, there has been a slight increase in volatility for 1 week and 1 month periods during the recent rapid price surge. VanEck predicts Solana to rank top 3 in market cap, TVL, and active users by 2024. According to Foresight News, VanEck has predicted that Solana will become one of the top 3 blockchains in terms of market capitalization, total value lot, TVL, and active users by 2024. PYTH, a price oracle based on Solana, is expected to potentially surpass Chainlink in terms of total value secured, TVs. This leading position is primarily driven by blue-chip DeFi protocols on the Ethereum mainnet. PYTH's innovative features, including a pool architecture and a confidence interval system, are anticipated to gain more market share as TVL continues to grow in high-throughput chains like Solana and Chainlink, striving for institutional adoption of its Link token. Google to update cryptocurrency advertising policy in January 2024. Google will update its policy for cryptocurrency token trust advertisements starting from January 2024. Advertisers in the US will need certification and meet Google's specific requirements. Non-compliance will result in a warning at least 7 days in advance, and account suspension if not rectified. The policy will be applied globally. MetaMask partners with payment platforms to support cryptocurrency in various countries. MetaMask has announced partnerships with payment platforms in several countries to support cryptocurrency. The platforms include VietQR, Mobile Money, Gcash, QRS, Thai QR, Vodafone Cash, and WebPay in Vietnam, Malaysia, Japan, and South Korea. MetaMask's wallet service currently supports local transfers in these countries. Binance Market Update, 2023年12月10日. Global cryptocurrency market cap has increased to $1.6T, up by 2.45% over the last day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has been trading between $43,585 and $44,137 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are trading lower, but BTC, OG, and EGLD have performed well, up by 26%, 21%, and 17%, respectively. Top stories include Binance co-founder Yi's statement that Alarmist talk won't kill the platform, and a report revealing that the U.S. government has access to crypto AML provisions from the National Defense Bill. Market movers include Ethereum, BNB, and XRP, which have all moved up, while SOL, ADA, and Doge have all moved down. The top gainers on Binance are BTC USDT, 正 26%, OG USDT, 正 21%, and EGLD USDT, 正 17%. KyberSwap exploiter tied to Million MHXA token movement reveals blockchain security firm Cyvers. Blockchain security firm Cyvers identifies 50 million inherential artifacts, HXA, tokens as being moved through an exploit on decentralized exchange KyberSwap. The funds, owned by the exploiter, have been distributed across externally owned accounts. The analysis reveals that the exploiter used the transfer from function, which allows tokens to be transferred from one party's balance to a third-party address, but any vulnerabilities in implementation can lead to security issues. Cyvers suggests the potential flaw lies in the multi-call function, which is integrated into the HXA token smart contract. MAXC, a cryptocurrency exchange, has suspended HXA token withdrawals and deposits due to irregular on-chain operations of the token. HXA's official website, Setcoin.io, is currently inaccessible. This development comes after a significant security breach at KyberSwap where hackers made off with approximately 46 million in crypto assets. Bitcoin Ordinals gain popularity. Could they impact BTC value? Bitcoin Ordinals, the NFT equivalent on the Bitcoin blockchain, have gained significant attention with over 46 million inscriptions and high transaction fees. ChatGPT identified 5 main factors to watch regarding Bitcoin Ordinals: innovation and interest, NFT-like dynamics, market sentiment, diversification, and blockchain size. BTC Ordinals could attract more people to the ecosystem, potentially leading to increased transaction volumes and a positive impact on Bitcoin's price. But there are also potential drawbacks such as increased blockchain size, higher fees, and diversion from Bitcoin's core purpose. Decentralized Reputation Protocol, Sismo, returns funds to investors and goes open source. Sismo, a blockchain-based reputation protocol, has returned funds to its investors. The company had previously raised 5.5 million from 130 investors. 51% of the funds have been returned, and Sismo has open-sourced some of its previously closed projects. The company plans to maintain the infrastructure for several months. Hadrian Charlemagne, the founder of Sismo, is willing to support any team or individual who wishes to transform Sismo's work into a public product and welcomes interested parties to contact him directly. Sismo is a zero-knowledge proof-based protocol that allows users to aggregate their identities with Sismo Connect and selectively disclose personal data to applications. Early NFT project EtherRock 8 sells for 120F. Foresight News reports that an early NFT project called EtherRock 8 was sold for a price of 120F, which is approximately 28,400,000. The NFT was sold on December 9th at 上午10:33分. Binance co-founder He, Alarmist talk will not kill Binance, it will only make more people stand with Binance. Binance co-founder He has responded to criticism of the cryptocurrency exchange, stating that it only solidified people's loyalty towards the company. He emphasizes the importance of transparency in the crypto world and encourages critics and followers to do your own research. 井号 DYOR. He dismissed the critics who produce FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, around Binance as jokers who are mediocre and hopeless for the future. He believes that these critics resort to naysaying to gain public attention amidst an increasingly competitive landscape. MKR Whale redeems 35,000 ETH from Lido staking protocol. MKR Whale redeemed 35,000 ETH from Lido staking protocol, deposits funds into DS proxy contract. MKR Whale, with assets worth 620 million, holds 28,000 tokens and ranks third among individual holders. The MKR Whale, who is valued at 620 million, has redeemed 35,000 ETH from the Lido staking protocol in the past 24 hours. The funds were subsequently deposited into a DS proxy contract, but the purpose of the transaction remains unknown. The whale's assets are valued at 620 million, and they currently hold 10,800 MKR tokens, ranking third among individual MKR holders. The average cost of their holdings is $689, with a current floating profit of 28.33 million. U.S. government axes 2 crypto AML provisions from National Defense Bill. The U.S. government has removed 2 provisions from the National Defense Authorization Act, NDA, aimed at addressing anti-money laundering, AML, issues related to cryptocurrencies. The first provision required collaboration between Treasury Secretary and financial institutions to establish a risk-focused examination and review system for crypto-associated financial institutions. The second provision aimed to thwart anonymous crypto asset transactions. These changes are part of broader revision of crypto-related amendments, drawing from the Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act and the Responsible Financial Innovation Act. These shifts come at a time when the U.S. government is considering the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, with a focus on money laundering and terrorism financing. The Financial Services Committee of the U.S. House of Representatives held a discussion on these issues on November 15. Bitcoin Core client vulnerability exploited by Inscription gets Identifier CV 2023-50428. Bitcoin Core developer Luke Dasher has identified a vulnerability in the client software used by Inscription, a malicious program, and has assigned the identifier CV 2023-50428 to the issue. Dasher previously stated that Inscription was exploiting a flaw to send spam messages to the blockchain.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.